Welcome to our review of Fidelity Investments. If you're new to investing or looking for a better platform to manage your finances, you've come to the right place. In this review, we'll break down how Fidelity works, its fees, its pros and cons, and how it compares to other investment platforms. Let's dive in. Fidelity's platform is designed to be user-friendly, allowing investors to navigate easily through various account types and investment options. You can open a self-directed brokerage account where you have full control over your investments. With this account, you can trade in a wide array of assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Fidelity also offers unique investment products like its zero expense ratio index funds, which have no minimum investment requirements and do not charge an expense ratio. The platform even caters to young investors with its youth account, which allows minors aged 13 to 17 to learn about investing under the supervision of a parent or guardian. Fees. When it comes to fees, Fidelity is competitive in the market. Many of its accounts have no fees to open or maintain, which is a significant advantage. For instance, Fidelity Go accounts require a minimum investment of only $10, and there are no account minimums or fees associated with opening these accounts. However, it's essential to note that Fidelity's Wealth Services does charge an annual fee that ranges from 0.50% to 1.50%, and there is a minimum account requirement of $500,000. Like any investment platform, Fidelity has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's take a closer look at some of the pros and cons of using Fidelity. One of the significant advantages of Fidelity is its extensive range of investment options. From stocks and bonds to mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, you have access to a broad spectrum of assets to diversify your portfolio. Another pro is the low fees associated with many Fidelity accounts. With no commissions on stock trades and no minimums on various accounts, it's easy to get started without a significant financial commitment. On the downside, Fidelity's robo-advisor, Fidelity Go, requires a higher minimum balance to access unlimited financial planning services. Lastly, Fidelity does not offer tax loss harvesting options, which can be a drawback for investors looking for tax optimization strategies. When compared to other online brokerages like Charles Schwab and Vanguard, Fidelity stands out in several areas. For example, Charles Schwab also offers commission-free trading and has a strong reputation for customer service. However, Schwab does not offer cryptocurrency trading, which is a significant advantage for Fidelity. Schwab is known for its personalized retirement accounts, making it a great choice for individuals focused on retirement savings. On the other hand, Vanguard is recognized for its low-cost index funds and excellent service for retirement-focused investors. While both Fidelity and Vanguard provide self-directed and managed account options, Fidelity has a more extensive range of account types and investment choices. If you're looking for cryptocurrencies or a youth investment account, Fidelity is the better option. What is Fidelity Investments, and what services does it offer? Fidelity Investments is a brokerage platform that provides a variety of investment services, including stock and bond trading, retirement accounts, and automated investing through its robo-advisor. How does Fidelity support beginner investors? Fidelity offers educational resources, user-friendly tools, and commission-free trading to help beginner investors start their investment journey with confidence. In conclusion, Fidelity Investments is a strong choice for a wide range of investors, from beginners to advanced traders. Its low fees, diverse investment options, and user-friendly platform make it an appealing option. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.